Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you guys how I do my own DIY flower wall. So the reason why I wanted to make my own flower wall was because honestly I needed a space to take selfies. Like I needed a cute background to take selfies, pictures, YouTube videos, etc. So I just feel like, you know what, instead of buying a flower wall, why not make it? And I feel like this will be a really cute, enjoyable video, especially for anybody who's interested in making a flower wall themselves. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't know if I'm cut out the frame or not because I'm recording on my iPhone and I could never know if I'm in frame or not. So if I'm in frame, hey. If I'm not, hey. So yesterday I went to Home Depot to get my fake grass backdrop. It was pouring. It was pouring outside. Like it was raining so hard. It was like that hard white rain. So today we're going to open this bad boy up. This carpet is 6x8 and I measured my wall before I left because honestly I didn't know how much or how big I needed it to be. So I just measured my wall and what you call it? Okay, so I measured my wall and okay, the paper is in my bag, but going up and down from I guess like the top where my closet is to like the bottom was between 78 inches, and then from side to side right here, like side to side was 48-ish inches, like around 4 feet. So I went there and I showed one of the guys and he gave me this because also too they had a what you call it? They have a like a turf where like you can like cut it, but that's for like backyards. Like it's like really long, you know. So I'm assuming that that's for like backyards or like a playroom, but not for like a measly little square. You know what I'm saying? So he told me that like this will work, but that I would have to cut it. I have to cut it, and then I needed to mount it. And I bought this. It's like basically you put it in like your wall, and you can screw it in the wall with your hands. And I'm gonna take this apart. Yeah, so this is a 6x8 artificial grass for indoor, outdoor use, great for patios, decks, and boats, UV resistant. So it's very, you can probably see the texture from far away, but that's what it looked like. Okay, so that's what it's looking like. That's what I wrote out. So I'm gonna use these flowers. Oh my god, these flowers are not cute. Cream roses with black roses. And I'm gonna put that on the fake grass and make it cute and make it snazzy. I'm gonna measure and make sure that the measurement on here matches what's on my paper so that it's not not too big going this way. If it's not gonna be too big going this way because it's pretty, I guess, like average height, and I can't turn it because this part will be too long. So yeah, so I'm gonna just try my best to measure it as close as possible that I can because so yeah, we gonna measure it. I'm not gonna make it exactly 48 inches. Oh my god, this is so hard. Because my room is so small. This press hurt my feet. I said that I was gonna use a box cutter or a carpet cutter, but I don't think my dad has one. The scissors work. She worked, so that's good. I'm trying to make the line as straight as possible, but the fact that it's just so laying so irregular, it's just still looks straight to me. Okay, so I cut the fabric. So now that I've cut it, I'm gonna put this log in a corner set it aside. I picked it up and I put it on my wall, and it actually fits. It's just a little bit too long, just a little bit, but in all honesty, it fits, and I'm so happy. I'm so happy that my fake grass fits. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be finishing up decorating my flower wall. So I got my flowers. I got black and cream flowers, roses to be specific. I got cream and black roses. With that being said, I have my flowers, and the way I'm gonna put my flowers on my flower wall is I'm going to hot glue them. I'm going to take the stem, like I already pulled the stem out, but I think I'm gonna take like the leaves and then hot glue it down to the grass. Just because like that's the only way I kind of see my flowers being on the grass is me gluing it down. So I will be getting my hot glue gun. Oh my god, I have a hole puncher. I have my hot glue gun, and I also have my bucket of arts and crafts. These Gorilla Glue glue gun sticks. I'm gonna use the glue gun, the glue sticks to stick the roses on the turf. But before we do that, I'm gonna dump this out, and I'm gonna dump this out. Okay, as you can see, this setup is a little bit wobbly because honestly, my room is small. And I can't really do too much. I'm like reorganizing my room and moving stuff, so I decided on a design. I was thinking about doing a heart shape. Okay, so I don't know, should I start with it? So I'm gonna do like a black, white pattern. Okay, so I'm gonna start right here, which I think isn't that bad. This is like a rough copy. Like this is not even. I'm gonna just do one half first. This is gonna be so. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is. Shape. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, yeah, so a heart shape thingy. Roses to kind of make the heart a little bit fuller, but if not, this is basically what I kind of wanted. this is what my flower wall looks like. I had my parents help me put it up because honestly I could not have put it up myself. So yeah, so this is what she's looking like. Really cute, really simple. Yeah, I'm like so happy. Like I got a cute little selfie background. I can take my pictures and do my hair and record my videos. Like I'm actually really excited. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope that this video has inspired you to make your own DIY flower wall slash selfie wall. You know, honestly, it really wasn't that hard. It wasn't that expensive. And it was fun, you know, like it really was fun. So like I said before, thank you guys for watching and see you next time.